Hi! In this video, we will show you 7 lesser-known Microsoft Word features. Spike is an interesting feature that allows you to cut multiple pieces of text from different locations and then paste them all together in a different part of the document. To use Spike, select the text you want to cut and press Ctrl and F3. Repeat the process for other pieces of text. To paste all the collected text, press Ctrl, Shift and F3. Did you know that you can extract media from Word documents? Close your document and navigate to where it's stored in the File Explorer. In the View options, on the top of the window, enable the option to show file name extensions. Navigate back to the file, right-click it, and choose Rename. In this input field, change its extension from docx to zip. Press Enter and open the zip file you have just created. Open the Word folder, then navigate to Media. All pictures embedded in your document are stored here. To make this file back into a Word document, just change the extension to docx. To move rows around in a few steps, click into a row in a table, then press Alt and Shift, then the up arrow to move it up. To move it down, press the down arrow. In the font group, you can find a button named Change Case. This feature basically lets you change the case of any text. To use this, highlight a text and select the case you want to use. This way, you won't have to manually retype anything that you want to be in another case. Additionally, you can use the Shift plus F3 combination to cycle between upper, lower, and title case when a text is selected. If you need to see the exact formatting of a text, you can use the Reveal Formatting function. Just highlight the text you want to inspect and press Shift plus F1. You even have the option to compare two texts if you check the Compare option and highlight something else while pressing Ctrl. Another great feature that goes well with this one is deleting character formatting by pressing Ctrl and the spacebar on a highlighted text. When you paste text into Word, the program will preserve the formatting of the original text by default. There are some solutions for this, but if you want every pasted text to be automatically formatted, there's an option you can change in the settings. In the Word options, go to Advanced in the left menu. You can set default settings for copying and pasting text to the document there. There are several options, so just select those that you want to change. As you can see now, when we paste text into the document, it's automatically formatted to match your document. Did you know that you can create tables from symbols in Microsoft Word? Just type a plus sign, then follow it by a bunch of negative signs and repeat. When you're done, press Enter to create your table. If you want to make more rows, keep pressing Tab until you're done. This trick may not be the most useful from the list, but it is a great way to impress your coworkers. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was useful, and we could show you a few new tricks. If you don't want to miss out on more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!